In this video, we're going to learn about two key concepts in React. State, for holding and updating data in components. Conditional rendering, to show or hide content based on logic. Let's get hands-on and understand them in action. Make sure your React app is running. Now in your Visual Studio Code, head to the src folder. Create a new file, counter.js. Right-click, New File, counter.js. Import React, useState from React. Function counter. Const count set count equals useState 0. Return div style equals text align center. Current count button on click equal set count counts 1. Increment button. Set count counts 1 decrement. Export default counter. Let's understand this. We're using the useState hook. This gives us a state variable called count and a function setCount to update it. When we click the increment or decrement button, we change the state. React automatically re-renders the component with the new value. Now go to app.js and import the counter component. JSX import counter from /counter. And inside the return block, add JSX counter/. Save everything and open your browser at localhost 3000. Try clicking the buttons. You'll see the count go up and down. That's the power of state, live updates without refreshing the page. Now let's make this smarter using conditional rendering. Still inside counter.js, below the buttons, add this. JSX count equals 0, and then the count is 0. Count 0 and the count is positive. Count 0 and the count is negative. Let me explain. We're using JavaScript logic directly inside JSX. If the condition is true, the element is shown. If not, it's ignored. Try setting the count to 0, then to a positive number, then to a negative number. You'll see different messages based on the value. This is conditional rendering. You can use it to show different buttons, alerts, messages, even entire sections, all based on your logic. And that's it for this video. You now understand how to use useState to manage local data, how to show or hide things using conditional rendering. This is a huge step forward. Most real-world apps rely heavily on both of these features. If you're enjoying the journey so far, like the video and hit subscribe to Code with Me. We've got more awesome React concepts coming up.